Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Starpower token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Starpower is the largest energy protocol dedicated to solving global energy volatility and shortage by partnering with lending manufacturers of renewable energy devices. Star Power integrates hardware directly into a decentralized network. This network enables distributed energy resources to participate in virtual power plants and demand response program, ensuring a more resilient and efficient energy ecosystem. The project has secured backing from prominent Web3 investors. Previous funding rounds were led by Alliance DAO, Framework Ventures, and Solana Ventures, reflecting strong institutional confidence in in Star Power's long-term vision. Star Power has made notable progress in recent months. A research paper authorized by a team was accepted by Nature, a prestigious scientific journal. Meanwhile, the network has successfully connected over the million energy devices, generating more than $1 million in revenue in 2024 alone. Star Power token total supply is 551.13 million and circulating supply is around 184.13 million Star token. Star token is listed on Binance Alpha, EXC, BingX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.